Hello, David Bradley from the box room here. I have been back to the garage, and yes, I knew there were more 1541s in there. Ugh. So I picked out another one. This one, well, it's kind of dirty and all, but But anyway, it has on it, if you can see in front, it has an 8-9 switch, and it has a read-write switch. I have not tested this drive, but I intend to. So that is an interesting thing that people used to do. These basically on the board are places that you can, if you are somewhat talented but not incredibly talented, attach things. So the device switch is basically there's a round thing with a skinny thing, like a hole. Not a, okay. Let me write. There's a round thing, but it's not completely round. There's like two thick areas on the outside and a thin line down the middle. You can cut that and then make it device 9. If you take a switch and attach it onto there, you can have a switch. Of course, it would void the sacred Commodore warranty, but people did it because it was handy. There was a program you could load in, you could change devices, you can da 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 da. And of course, on this read-write thing, which is over here, if there were times that you absolutely did not want to be writing to a disk, instead of making sure that you had the sticker over the thing, you could flip the switch. Same kind of thing. Anyway, while we're looking at this drive has a lot of vents. I think this is later. I think the early 1541s just had, this was kind of full and this was open. Or maybe it was the other way around. I don't remember at this moment. Let me peek. Ah, this was full. This was empty because the power supply is at the back. But then they realized after probably not too long, we need air. Lots of air. In the back, of course, is a typical 1541 with a power switch, a place to plug in the power, a place where you would find the fuse, and two, not one, but two serial ports, so you can connect this drive to another drive or to a printer or other such devices. What does it say on the back here? MCUG. So this, chances are, at some point belonged to a club. I don't know what the M stands for, but the Commodore User Group probably means, or CUG probably means Commodore User Group. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I've got a 64 here that I can test things with. It shows up nicely on this other monitor, but it's noisy. It is. So perhaps what I will do first, initially, while I'm here, is I'm going to stick this drive up on top of this other one. And you know what I think? I think I'm going to reconfigure things and have you look at the monitor. And maybe I can put the disk drive over there. Maybe not, but really, the stuff on the screen is more interesting than this. So, another 1541 disk drive. Oh, also in the garage. I was so close to having a pet out. And it said 8032, but I peeked inside. There's more boards. I think it's a super pet. Also, I think a mouse may have taken up residency at some point, which is scary, because you never know what they chewed on. But, so here I thought I had the way clear to get it out. But the way the shelf is, it's a big wooden shelf, and it's just about the right height, and the pets kind of have to go in just so. Well, there's a support thing that comes across. And so I thought I could just slide this over and pull it out. Well, I can't slide it over because it's just too tall for that 2x4 that's holding the top on. So I was that close. But no cigar. Anyway, stay tuned, and we'll see if this drive is working and see if it does what it says it does, or if these switches are okay. Most importantly, does the drive work? It has the little flippy door, the new tech drives. I like them better. I always like this. Listen to this. Beautiful. Rather than the pop doors. But the actual drive mechanisms on the new tech drives are more likely to fail. Anyway, we'll see what's what. I need to do a little reconfiguring. Stay tuned. Bye for now.